welcome to my Super Salty channel. My name is Kelly, and I'm just a marine biologist that believes that you and I can save the world one drop of salt water at a time. Now today we're going to be talking about basic ocean facts, so let's just dive right in, shall we? Now we live on a blue planet, and that just means that the majority of our Earth's surface is indeed water. 70% of our entire surface is salt water. That's broken up into 5 different oceans. We have the Atlantic, Arctic, Indian, Southern, and the biggest one, the Pacific Ocean. What's sad though is only 5% of our entire ocean has been explored. In fact, more people have set foot on the moon than the deepest part of our ocean. In fact, there are better and more maps of the surface of Mars than the surface of our own ocean. And that's sad for us because the ocean surface is what we call the mega museum of the Earth. It is covered in historical artifacts, and we will never be able to see them. 95% of all living things on this Earth are aquatic species. In fact, only 5% of our living animals include us as humans and land animals that we know and love. There are only 230 different aquatic species on this Earth, but since we have only explored so few parts of our ocean, scientists believe that for every one animal, there are 3 that we have no idea about. That means there are over 2 million aquatic species that we have no idea exist. So if anyone tells me that mermaids aren't real one more time, I'm going to tell them they're a liar. Did you know that 50% of the Earth's oxygen comes from the ocean? In fact, the ocean absorbs 50 times the amount of carbon dioxide that we produce. So that means that even if you are landlocked or if you have never seen the ocean, every time you take a breath, the ocean has impacted you. In fact, we call the ocean the lifeblood of our Earth. Whenever you think about threats against the oceans, humans might not be on your list, but in fact, we're at the top of the list. Amongst other things, we put 3 different types of pollutions into the waters. One of them being unseen pollution, and that's sound. Another one is chemical pollution, and that's going to be our oils and our toxins. Even the things we put in the air end up back in the water. The third one is the greatest one, and that's our physical pollution. In fact, did you know that there is a patch in the Pacific Ocean that is full of garbage and spans over the size of Texas? Now, it's so great, in fact, the name is actually called the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Now, just because man made all of these problems does not mean that we can't unmake them. It is our duty to work together to save this planet. So if you want to save the world with me, please subscribe to this channel and you'll get super salty facts every week so we can save the world together. See you next time.